Welcome back. This is 爱中文叶老师. In last episode, we covered the 4 tones of Mandarin. Today, we are looking at the 6 basic vowels, the building blocks of every syllable in Chinese. These are a, o, u, i, u, ü. You already know most of the sounds from English, but a few of them will surprise you. Let's go through each one. Vowel a. Open your mouth wide. This is the most natural vowel. It sounds like the a in father. A like in ma, mother. Wide open mouth. Simple. One small heads up. The a sound shifts slightly depending on what surrounds it. The a in ma sounds a bit different from the a in nan or mang. Don't worry about this now. Just know that your a will naturally adjust as you learn more words. Vowel o. Round your lips like you are saying oh. Slightly deeper than the English o. O like bo, wave. In Mandarin, the pure o sound only appears after b, p, m, and f. When you see o after other consonants, like in 我, it's actually a different sound. 我. We will cover that later. Vowel u. This one is different from English. Don't say it like the in bed. Instead, it's a neutral sound made at the back of your mouth, with your lips relaxed and slightly open. Think of it as the sound you make when you are hesitating, like like in He river. He. This is the vowel most beginners get wrong. Keep your lips relaxed. Don't push them forward. Vowel E. There are actually 2 ways to pronounce E depending on what comes before it. Most of the time, spread your lips and say E like in English, see. Keep the sound pure and steady. Don't let it slide into a E sound at the end. E like 你, you. But after 知, ch, sh, r, z, c, s, don't move your tongue or lips at all. Just hold the position of that consonant and keep your throat tight, like in 是, to be. Same spelling, very different sound. Your ears would get used to it. Ooh. Round your lips forward like you are about to whistle, like the oo in food. Keep the sound steady from the start to finish. Don't let it slide into a oo sound at the end, the way English oo sometimes does. Oo like in 路, road. 路. Vowel ü. This is the one that doesn't exist in English, but here is the trick. Start with E, say E, and hold that sound. Now, keep making that sound and slowly round your lips forward like you are making a U. Your tongue stays in the same position as E, only your lips move. E. One more time. E. Like 鱼, fish. This takes practice, but once you feel it, you won't forget it. Let's hear all 6 vowels together. A, o, u, i, u, ü. These 6 vowels are the foundation of Mandarin pronunciation. Every syllable you will ever learn builds on these sounds. That's Episode 2, the 6 basic vowels of Mandarin. Pay special attention to U and Ü. Those are the 2 that need the most practice. In the next episode, we will start looking at consonants beginning with b, p, m, and f. See you in episode 3. 再见。